Hello, are you afraid of the piracy of video? VdoCipher is here to help you to protect your content from piracy. VdoCipher provides custom video player and video piracy protection solutions targeted towards e-learning, LMS, content creators, media, and OTT platforms. We have blocked 120,000 plus piracy attempts and identified 1,100 plus hackers or pirates in the last 6 months through our proprietary Piracy Blocker engine. 3,000 plus businesses globally have an additional $200 million in revenues by preventing piracy and increasing paid users. We'll guide you through the simple steps to embed a secure video from VdoCipher into your LearnWorlds course using an iframe embed code. But first, let's briefly introduce VdoCipher. VdoCipher is a leading video hosting platform that ensures your premium videos are fully secure from unauthorized access and piracy. It boasts features like encrypted streaming, DRM, AI subtitles, and adaptive playback, making it an ideal choice for educators and course creators. LearnWorlds is a powerful platform for creating and selling online courses. Its user-friendly interface and customization options make it easy to deliver an engaging learning experience. So let's begin by logging into your VdoCipher dashboard and choosing the video you want to embed in your LearnWorlds course. Click on the Embed Code button to be redirected to the Quick Embed section, where you'll find the option to generate an embed code. You can adjust settings, such as adding domain, IP, or country restrictions to suit your needs. You can also add a watermark according to your requirements. Once you've made your settings, just click the Generate Embed Code button. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to copy the iframe. With your iframe copied, head over to your LearnWorlds dashboard. To kick things off, head over to the left menu and click on Courses. Ready to create something new? Just hit the Create Course button. Here, you can enter the name of your course. Once you've done that, you can also set up your course URL before moving on. After setting up the URL, go ahead and click Continue. Now, it's time to decide how you'd like your course to be offered. Should it be free or paid? Make your choice and then proceed to start building from scratch. Let's give your course a title. You can call it Title 1 or perhaps New Course. Once you've settled on a name, save it. Now, with your course created, click on the Add Activity button. From the options, choose Embed from the left menu. Select the Embed option and give it a name, like VdoCipher Video. Save your changes and then hit Edit. Time to bring your video content to life. Paste the embed code you copied from the VdoCipher dashboard into the designated area. Once you've done that, hit the Save button. With your changes saved, click on Preview to see it in action. And there you have it. Your video is now ready to view. You can also check out the settings here. That's all it takes to seamlessly copy a video from the VdoCipher dashboard into your LearnWorlds course. With VdoCipher, your videos are protected by DRM encryption, ensuring complete security against piracy. Learners can also enjoy features like multiple quality options, subtitles, and speed controls, providing a premium experience on any device. And that's it. Embedding secure videos into your LearnWorlds course is that simple. Key security features include illegal downloads are blocked with Hollywood-grade DRM encryption using Google Widevine and Apple FairPlay DRM protocols. Screen capture blocking in mobile apps. Screen capture blocking in 70% cases in websites. User-based moving customizable watermark to discourage screen capture in REST 30% cases. Advanced restrictions like offline secure download in app, IP restrictions, and geo-country restrictions. Customize the video player as per your brand and business needs. Add chapters. Chapters are visible on player timeline and in settings section. Add multi-language subtitles. Generate AI English subtitles. Change thumbnail. Change color. Add or remove controls. Edit speed change options. Enable Chromecast and much more. Have different themes for different videos, or have a single custom theme for account. Track bandwidth and storage at both the account and video level. Monitor video views at the account level with filters by country and browser, and you can also dive into per-video insights for a complete audience overview. Next, manage folder-level playback restrictions to control content access and monitor watch time patterns. Finally, our Piracy Blocker identifies hacking attempts, logging severity, IP addresses, and methods used, ensuring your content stays protected. So sign up today and get a free full version trial.